How to fix Spotify not linking to Instagram notes. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update both the apps Instagram and Spotify. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then search for the app Spotify. Now, if you find the option of update for Spotify, you can click on that and update the app as well. Then you will need to launch your Instagram app. Now, navigate to the Notes page. For that, click on the message icon given at the top right. Click on the option Share a Note. Now, click on this music icon. Now, at the top, you're gonna find the option of link to Spotify. If still you cannot find that option, that means you are not logged in with your Spotify account. So launch your Spotify and check. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you check that, now you should see the option Link to Spotify. Clicking on that, you will be able to link your Instagram to Spotify. In case you are still not getting this option, what you need to do is check the server status of each app, Instagram and the Spotify. For that, you can navigate to this one website, Talent Detector. First, let's check the server of the Instagram. Search for Instagram. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. Now check for Spotify. Check the server status of Spotify as well. If there is no issue within these apps, what you need to do is you will need to wait. As this is a new feature rolled out just few days ago, this might be not available in all the region. So you'll need to wait. So these are some fixes for Spotify not linking to Instagram notes. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.